Okay, take 2 minutes. Please settle down.
Greatest sporting comeback story in the history of cricket. I mean, nobody's played cricket with one eye, so it will be a great game. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for your.
Tiger defending champions and Tigers of Kolkata.
Always.
No problem.
Our season 1 champion, Tigers of Kolkata, co-owner, Honorable Kareena Kapoor Khan and Saif Ali Khan, and our league commissioner, Suraj Samant. Now I keep the floor open for the Q&A. I would request you all to keep the questions limited only to ISPL and to the team. Thank you very much. Raise your hand. Go ahead.
From the team corner's perspective, how tough was it to kind of let go of the winning squad and then go back into the auction, build up the team from the scratch, find all kind of similar players, or what should the approach be?
I mean, should we reveal what our strategy is?
Not the strategy, but
no strategy meaning I think we're planning to retain based on last season, retain some key players, and unfortunately let go of some. And we have a wish list, and the auction is still on. I came here, and we're doing well so far. But yes, you feel bad to let go. It's a winning combination. It did well. But the exciting thing is to सबसे अच्छी बात ये है कि जैसे नए लोगों को एक चांस देना और एक स्ट्रीट लेवल पे उन्हें एक स्टेडियम लेवल पर लाना is the core of the ISPL. और ये सबसे exciting बात है.
And going ahead in terms of continuity, would you like to have this idea of having some sort of retentions in the number of squad of players?
I'd like
Maybe
the
two
idea
or
of
three or four
I would like the idea of winning again, and to keep winning. Sorry, but what is your question? Can I ask?
Would you want to retain certain number of players going ahead into the season, like 2 players retain or 3 players?
Yes,
retain?
we'd like to retain 4 players to be precise.
Do you guys talk on cricket at on the dining table? I mean, do you come up with your opinions, strategies, and two of you?
About the ISPL?
Yeah, of cricket, of course.
And cricket, we do sometimes. I think we do talk about the ISPL and to be honest with you, we talk about the ISPL as an investment also that, and why it will be popular and how. My wife is very excited about the idea, but please you speak for yours. But we do talk about it.
I think it's perfect for Saif and me to be invested in the ISPL and be co-owners of Tigers of Kolkata as a team, because I think Saif, coming from a background of wonderful cricket, and for me also, I think to be together with Saif and own the team, I think it's really special. And thank you to Suraj for making it happen, and we're super excited about the second season, because obviously we're entering as the winning team and hoping to always be the winning team, and this time take the cup again. So the fight is on, and the fight for the players are on, and I think we're already doing pretty well. We've got 2 of the ones that we wanted. And let's see, hopefully we'll have all the entire team that we want. And I think the first match is sometime in January. 26 January we start. तो आप लोग भी आओ देखने.
Sir,
Forward as an investment. How good is Karishma as a Karina? Sorry.
Karishma is very good.
Very smart.
Yes.
Karina के बारे में जानना चाहेंगे as a businesswoman, as an entrepreneur, like how is she, investment wise?
How are you investment wise?
the question. How am I?
मुझे तो बहुत अच्छी लगती हैं. As an investment. I'm invested.
sir,
I'll ask you also, Karina. How
Right.
good are you at your hands-on?
I don't know how good I am.
From a cricket, I think it's a great business prospect to us. That's why we are also co-owners of this team. And we want the ISPL to grow. That's the most important thing. Is that we're already confident of more and more people coming to see it. From the first season to the second season, I think there's a lot more excitement. So investment के तौर पर देखा जाए तो I feel very confident about it.
sir,
Like there are so many cricket leagues launching one after another. What was particularly exciting about the ISPL that drove your investment?
I think I should answer that one
Yeah.
because I was the one who pitched it to her.
Yeah.
So the most important part here is that we're actually getting the street players who actually cannot get a platform over the period of years. It's as you know, there's no age bar to playing in ISPL. And when a player wants to play even at the age of 35, he can try a chance, and if he's good, he can come and play in ISPL. And we wanted to create a mix where there is not a long format to get into the stadium. And anybody who plays with tennis ball, as you know, every player starts his journey with the tennis ball, as Sachin has already explained multiple times that he started his career with tennis ball, and so has other players like Surya Kumar Yadav and
In
others.
fact, you can say the background and the growing up of Indian cricket in many ways is a tennis ball. And अगर आपने ये पहला season देखा होगा, the stadium was full. There was so much excitement in the crowd. It's very watchable game actually. I think बहुत मजा आने वाला है.
What are your
sir-
expectations for season 2? What are you expecting from season 2?
I think more the whole idea of any kind of season 2 and anything now, even in our profession, in films, and even a web show or any season 2, you expect bigger, better. It's like a sequel, right? That mainly it's happening because the first one was a hit, and you want the same thing.
sir,
I like when people ask me a question, they should and look away immediately. I always lose my track. Yeah, I don't know what I'm talking to.
Sir, your thoughts on the league being expanded now to 3 weeks, and also now that it's going to be broadcast on Jio Cinema
Yes.
along with Star. So how big is that, and what's your thought on that?
Well, my partners think it's bigger, better, and more exciting than before, like a good sequel should be.
And a question for Suraj sir as well. How excited are you for the upcoming season with the same things, league being
So we're
expanded?
very excited this year because we have more registrations that came in, more people want to come in, and we have 21 days of action now compared to what we had last year, and there are going to be performances every day and a lot of things for the viewers on stage as well as on the stadium.
हेलो एवरीवन, दिस साइड विशाल हियर. पिछले साल की बात करूँ, आप लोग की टीम फाइनल जीती थी और जिस तरह से पूरा टूर्नामेंट बीता था, एक जो गेंद थी, जो टेप बॉल की गेंद थी, जो एक ओवर होता था जिसकी चर्चा काफ़ी हुई थी, ISPL में सबसे ज़्यादा चर्चा उसकी हुई थी. तो ऐसे कोई प्लेयर को पर्टिकुलरली पिक करने वाले हो जो टेप बॉल से अच्छा इन स्विंग आउट स्विंग, क्योंकि मैंने अभिषेक दिलौर जो लास्ट ईयर फर्स्ट सीजन में सबसे हाईएस्ट बीट हुए थे और वो ही फाइनल में परफॉर्म नहीं किए थे, जो एक एडवांटेज मिल गया था कोलकाता को जीत का, क्योंकि सबको ऐसा था कि मुंबई में अगर अभिषेक खेला तो ही फाइनल जीतेगा. अभिषेक ने परफॉर्म नहीं किया और कोलकाता जीता. तो आर यू लुकिंग फॉर समवन लाइक अभिषेक दिलौर, क्योंकि जिस तरह से वो गेंदबाजी कर रहे थे पूरे टूर्नामेंट की स्टार्टिंग
We
में.
have a nice like a team, and we have a panel. We have some experts, and we have lot of people looking at statistics and ideas, and हमारा काफ़ी सोच समझ के एक प्लान बनाया है. और उसके हिसाब से there are specialists, of course, and there's tape ball specialists that we want, because tape ball is one of the most exciting overs. तो उसके हिसाब से we have a plan.
As the defending champions, would you want some of the games, not at least in this season or in the future, to be played in Kolkata as well, considering the rich heritage of cricket that Kolkata has, the popularity cricket has in Kolkata?
I mean, I'm sure we'll move. I mean, Calcutta is a passionate cricket crowd and a lovely city. And I think since we have the name, it'll be a good idea. Yeah, I mean, of course, we would love to. Be a nice idea to travel around. No?
So we got registrations this year are going to be happening in 101 cities now for trials. We're increasing the number of cities also, and we will travel with the games to multiple cities in the coming years. The idea to do it here again is because the logistics allows us to have it in one place, and there was a public demand from everybody to continue with this place. And probably next year we'll move to Calcutta or Hyderabad for sure.
सर here. जब आपको लेग्स है यहाँ पे तो आपको पता है लाइक यू आर रियली गुड एज ओनर्स क्योंकि योर टीम आर डूइंग रियली वेल इन ISPL. सो आई थिंकिंग टू प्लान ओनिंग अ टीम इन IPL एज वेल.
Why not?
Why not?
And if you plan like what would the team would be?
The winning team.
जी सैफ अली जी, मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगा हिंद समर्थन से शिवली रामपुरी कि आप क्रिकेट से जुड़े हुए हैं तो असल ज़िंदगी में क्रिकेट को कितना पसंद करते हैं और क्या कभी कोई फिल्म बनाने का भी इरादा है क्रिकेट के ऊपर जिससे कि क्रिकेट और ज़्यादा बढ़े?
या नाइस क्वेश्चन. हम क्रिकेट से बहुत ही प्यार करते हैं, हमारे खून में है और बहुत ही मतलब एक इतना ग्रेट गेम है. और हर लेवल पे मुझे टेस्ट क्रिकेट भी पसंद है, वनडे क्रिकेट भी पसंद है, T20 भी पसंद है और टेनिस बॉल क्रिकेट भी पसंद है, गली क्रिकेट भी पसंद है. सब अलग अलग टाइप की क्रिकेट पसंद है.
चाहेंगे कि कोई फिल्म बनाए?
हाँ, मैं हमेशा चाहता हूँ क्योंकि बहुत एक्साइटिंग स्पोर्ट्स फिल्म बनाना, बहुत मज़ा आएगा एक अच्छी फिल्म बनाने में क्रिकेट में. लेकिन अगर आपको ऐसे एक्टर्स मिले क्योंकि वो क्रिकेटर्स जितनी खूबसूरती से गेंद को मारते हैं, खेलते हैं, जिस हिसाब से फील्डिंग होती है, ग्रेट बॉलर्स जिस हिसाब से बॉलिंग करते हैं, अगर आप वो किसी एक्टर से करवा सकें तो आप फिल्म बनाएं ज़रूर.
अरे हट ना जुबेर.
क्या? No, I think a biography film would be a great idea. All my children are so excited about cricket also. Tim Jahangir, little boy, wanted to come today because he's got a Tigers jersey and he wanted to come. The thing about playing people, great cricketers, is you need an actor who can do that, who can bat like that, who can have the style like that. And of course, Tiger Saab was 21 when he was captain of India, so I am a little old to play him, unfortunately. So we need a nice, young, very handsome, very good actor to play. And if we find that, and someone finds that, and it's a lovely story. It's the great thing is
On the right, with the back. Yeah.
अरे पीछे चलो ना इतना. आगे क्यों जा रहे हो यार? नीचे नीचे बाकी से पीछे पार्टी आते हैं. बोथ ऑफ यू सेंटर. नाउ सब सामने. राइट एकदम आप सामने आपके. टर्न हो जाइए राइट साइड. सर होल्ड ऑन.
Thank you. Congratulations. That's why I think we have something. It's a nice company.
चलो अभी तो.
No camera.
सर यहाँ पे